In this video, you can learn how to join YouTube Partner Program and earn money. If this is your first time viewing my video, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get updates when new content is added. To earn money from your content on YouTube channel, you need video viewers who watch your videos regularly, who love to watch content that you upload in your YouTube channel. So, you need to create content that's very much engaging and entertaining to get regular views consistently. But the content that you create needs to follow YouTube community guidelines. Then you can apply for YouTube Partners Program, which has certain criteria, eligibility and threshold, which your YouTube channel needs to meet. First, your YouTube channel must be in good standing without any copyright strikes or any community guidelines strike. You can view it under your YouTube channel status and features page. Like here, you can see there is 0 copyright strike and 0 community guidelines strike on my channel. Second, you should have 4,000 video watch hours in the past 12 months, which you can find out under Analytics page in YouTube Studio. See, in my channel, it has not yet reached the threshold of 4,000 hours, which is 240,000 minutes watched. Third, with at least 1,000 YouTube subscribers for your channel. I have more than 1,000 subscribers in my channel. These criteria are set so that YouTube wants to retain content creators who are serious and good, who follow the YouTube community guidelines and be an asset on the platform, which helps in logical evaluation of the channel and as well economical for the YouTube team to manage it. But as per YouTube site, you can apply anytime. But your channel will be reviewed based on the above criteria. Once YouTube is satisfied with your channel status, policies along with the viewer's threshold, you will be accepted and start earning money from ads, super chats, channel membership, and much more if you meet the eligibility criteria and their availability in your country. Your channel will be reviewed within a month's time from reaching the eligibility and review threshold. But for some reason, if it is not approved, it may be because your channel does not meet the required criteria based on YouTube policy and community guidelines. You can reapply again in 30 days. Check your videos and remove any content that is not as per YouTube community policy or guidelines. Next, for monetization to be intact on your channel needs to be active with uploads in the last 6 months along with a threshold. But if it drops below, your channel can be removed from YouTube Partner Program. Please find links below in the description section to find more information on YouTube Partner Program and YouTube Community Guidelines. With this, we come to the end of this video. Please subscribe and click the bell icon. Like and comment on the video if you found it helpful. Thank you.